Good afternoon, class. How are you all? Fine? Good. So, as in last class, we were looking for chapter 1, which was parts of computer. And in that chapter, we have seen 4 main parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. Right? And we have done the book exercise as well. So today it's time to complete that book exercise by solving question answers. So let's start. So in last class we have left our work by completing this MCQs. Right? We have done these MCQs. So now it's time for the question answers, means your exercise number B of section B. Answer the following question. Okay, so here are only 4 question answers that are given, that I am telling you here. Like your question number 1 is, name the main parts of a computer, which is the name of our chapter also. हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. तो हमको जो हमने पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर पढ़े हैं, मीन्स 4 मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर जो हमने पढ़े, वी नीड टू राइट ऑल दोज 4 नेम्स हेयर. Okay, so did you remember what are the 4 main parts of computer? Yes? Okay, so tell me, what are they? Yes, like monitor, very good. Then CPU, then mouse, then keyboard. Yes, so here is your answer number 1. Main parts of computer: number 1 keyboard, number 2 mouse, number 3 CPU, number 4 monitor. Got it? Good one. Now let's move to the next one, that is question number 2. Which part of a computer, are you reading with me? Which part of a computer is used to point and select an object? Which part of a computer is used to point and select an object? Now you see on your screen, can you see this yellow dot? This is moving as I am moving this one, like it is on N. So this is pointing. Now if I will double click, it is selected. Yes. So what do you think? Which device I am using for doing this work? Yes, I am using mouse to point, to select. So I am using mouse, right? So the answer for your question number 2 is mouse. Okay, done. Now question number 3. Name the computer part which is known as the brain of a computer. Read along with me. Name the computer part which is known as the brain of a computer. Which part is known as the brain of computer? Now you tell me, among those 4 you have written in answer number 1, which one is the brain? Is it keyboard? Is it mouse? Is it CPU? Or is it monitor? Which is the brain? Obviously CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. So here you need to write answer number 3, CPU. Now in these questions we can write the statement as well, but for you here it is asking for the name of the part. So if you will write only the name, that will be sufficient for the answer. Got it? Like आप नंबर 2 में आप लिख सकते थे माउस इज यूज टू पॉइंट एंड सिलेक्ट एन ऑब्जेक्ट, तो स्टेटमेंट हो जाता. बट ऐसे ही CPU में हम लिख सकते थे CPU इज नोन एज द ब्रेन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर, बट यू कैन राइट ओनली द नेम्स एज वेल, राइट? सो हियर आई हैव रिटन ओनली द नेम CPU इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग अ कंप्लीट स्टेटमेंट, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा लेंदी हो जाएगा और बड़ा आंसर हो जाएगा. तो दैट्स वाई द स्मॉल आंसर, स्मॉल नेम, only the name CPU. Done. Now let's move to the last one. Which part of a computer looks like a TV? Which part of a computer looks like a TV? So that part that looks like a TV is that screen, means our monitor. Okay, so this answer number 4 will be monitor looks like a TV. Is it done? All good. So here are your question answers that we have done. Now after this, puzzle is also there. And this puzzle, here are the pictures given of the parts of computer. You have to identify the picture and then you have to write its spelling in these boxes. So this one is a homework for you. I am guiding you how you will do, and then you will do it yourself. Okay, so here is your activity or your homework that you are supposed to complete. Right, like this. Which picture is this? The first one. This is CPU. 3 boxes are there, 1 2 3. So here you need to write this name of this picture. C, P is already written, so no need to write it again. Then U, तो P पहले से लिखा हुआ है. 3 boxes हैं. इन दोनों में से किस डिवाइस का नाम है जो 3 लेटर का है? CPU का. तो हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? C, और लास्ट बॉक्स में क्या लिखेंगे? U. तो हमारा नेम क्या बन गया? CPU. In the same way, like here you see, this one is printer. So we will fill with starting P. So we will write the spelling of printer. PRINTER. Right? So this one is going to be your answer. Got it? Now after this, as you can see that here E will come and this is the picture of keyboard. तो अब आपकी स्पेलिंग कीबोर्ड की बनेगी. तो K पहले से लिखा हुआ है, E आप प्रिंटर की स्पेलिंग लिखोगे तो आ जाएगा. तो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस इन दिस फॉर्म, KEYBOARD. इज इट क्लियर? तो इस वे में आपको अपना ये प्रोजेक्ट या आपको ये एक्टिविटी अपनी कंप्लीट करना है. आपको पिक्चर आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसके नेम की स्पेलिंग लिखनी है. जैसे ये पूरा का पूरा कंप्यूटर का सेटअप है ना? ऑल 4 थिंग्स आर देयर, मॉनिटर, CPU, कीबोर्ड और माउस. तो हम यहाँ इसकी स्पेलिंग लिखेंगे कंप्यूटर की. गॉट इट? तो इन दिस वे यू विल कंप्लीट दिस पजल. राइट नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज this one. Here you see, here you have to identify which parts are lying over here. Like here monitor is lying down, then printer is lying here, then speaker is kept here, right? Then find out more devices, you find it out. Keyboard is there, got it? Then microphone is also here, got it? So you have to find out the device and you have to write their names over here. So here are 8 devices are lying in this room. तो आपको वो 8 devices कौन कौन सी हैं वो आपको यहाँ से ढूंढनी है पिक्चर में से और यहाँ आपको उसके नेम लिखने हैं. तो आपको पिक्चर नहीं ड्रॉ करनी है अपनी नोटबुक में, आप केवल लिखेंगे एक्सरसाइज बी, नेम ऑफ द पार्ट्स lying in room, name of the parts in room, and then you write down all the 8 devices name like monitor, printer, keyboard, mouse, speaker, CPU, माइक्रोफोन. गॉट इट. तो इस तरह आप सारी 8 डिवाइसेस के नेम यहाँ पर नोट डाउन कर देंगे. ओके. नेम ऑफ द डिवाइस इन द रूम. हेडिंग क्या लिखनी है आपको? नेम ऑफ द डिवाइस इन द रूम, एंड देन यू विल राइट डाउन दीज नेम्स. ओके. सो like this you will complete these 2 activities in your homework and complete your work. Okay, so this is all from my side. Have a nice day. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye. Take care.